Is it a line now? I think so. Let's do this. X, right. You can see it's very far away from aligning. So do this. So you can see it can basically go straight up now. I don't need this part now. Where is it? Yeah, there you go. On the Y, yeah. You can't really see it, but it's there, okay. Yeah, it's there. Yep, take this. It's basically straight. And then do this. Right. It's more accurate. There you go. Oh, it's there. It's there. Okay, it's there. You can't see it, but it's there. Ah, I made that mistake. Okay, so put on the X-ray mode. Five. You can't see it, but it's there for some reason. Oh, we did 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just remember how many scrolls you do on your mouse. See that. Now I want to use this subsurf modifier. Nice. Do you see that? So this is. Wait. There you go. That's very satisfying. The higher it is, the more satisfying it is. It's gonna blend in. Like it doesn't look like it is, but it will. So it's fine. Increase it upwards, or just select the top layer, just pull it in, pull it up. There you go. You have to scale it on the x-axis a bit more, not that much. Okay, see, like scaling. Okay, there you go, it's fine. I was gonna say scaling can be cumbersome, so just select this edge. And there you go. So it's fine now. You can see there's little thing. There's a gap, but I want to. Okay, so let's take this away. Like you can see that this sort of gradually starts at its own pace, but go back to the 3D model and you can see that it starts suddenly. Right, it just starts suddenly. You can do that by using a loop cut right here. Boom. Now it starts. It's flat, starts suddenly. That's what we want. I think the main shape of the gun is done. Just need to like make small adjustments. Okay. Now, okay, the glaring difference. So you can see that it's flat, but I don't know if you can see it properly. Go all inspector, no post-processing. There you go. I think it's better now. It's like, it's not like perfectly flat here. It's a little bit round, you know? It's a little bit round over here. And it's more round over here than it is over here. And you've got reference over here. So do this. We need a loop cut in the middle. Select this edge. We need, or I think you need the whole thing. You need click 1. You can control Xeon selections as well. There you go. Bring it in a little. And bring it out a little. Yeah, this is too much out. This way. So you can see the vertex is way over there, but the mesh is here. So align it with the mesh, not the vertex. It's a little bumpy, but like we're gonna fix this, and it's gonna fix it by itself. It's like a haircut. Like halfway through you look horrible, but at the end, you know, after a few fixes, it looks great. Bring down the vertex. You know what I tell you. Okay, it's a little bit bumpy here, but like I think the real gun's supposed to be like that anyway. Just reduce it a little. Well, reduce it a little. Maybe it's this one. We'll come back to that later. Because like once you stare too much at a problem, you can't find a solution. You go somewhere else, and then it's loading at the back of your head, right? And then you come back, and then ooh, you know, like it was so simple all this time. See, like already this is too much ahead, and that's why there's that bump. So move it back a little, and yeah, there you go. I literally just looked at the back of the gun, and I can use the same theory, and hopefully make this look a little bit better. We'll come back to it later. So far, it's okay. We're gonna fix this later. We've got the main body of the gun now. So let's make the trigger. Okay, let's see. I think you can like trace it along this way and then just extrude it the other way. Yeah, that's how we're gonna make it then. I'm gonna put a subsurf modifier here, even though I don't need it. I think it looks better if it has. Where is it? Where'd it go? Wait, let's not put it on just yet. I need to extrude it in the Y direction. See, sometimes it's like this way. This means this is the Y direction of the vertices, the normal of the vertices, the local Y direction. You want to click Y again, so that's global. Yeah, that's it. That should be fine. Actually, you can use this. Yeah, look at this. It's pretty thick, huh? I can't really see, so I'm gonna turn this off. And I'm gonna move this to the Y direction. I'm gonna put on the subsurf on again. That looks horrible. So you're gonna, you know the drill by now. Just what? So edit it, bring the vertices. There you go. The easiest way to select. You need 2. For the first one, smash it this way. Smash it that way. And you need the top to be yeah. You need the top to be. Oops. You need the top to be flat as well. That's thick. Okay, why is it doing that? Why is it scaling from here? It's because the... Wait a minute. It's supposed to be median point. So why is it still doing that? Oh yeah, see, the origin is over here. The origin is over here. So you go set origin to geometry, and now it'll be from both sides. The shade smooth function is quite useful, but very little control. You have very little control over it. Is it smooth though? Yeah, it sort of is. Again. So we need a hole here. We need a cylinder here. Right? We need this hole. So you can see it's basically a cylinder and another cylinder has been cut through it. For this we use the Boolean function. First we need a cylinder, 2 cylinders actually. Now I want to Boolean this with this. As X. It's gonna make a hole inside of it. So I put the function on this guy. This guy is the material being booleaned in, as in being drilled in. And the object is this guy. Difference, yes, click. Now, yep, there you go, there's the hole. Now I want to bring these two over here. See, the scale's not right. I want to get the scale to be right. And so I'm gonna reduce this until I have the right size that I want. Is that about right? Yeah, I think that's about right. Maybe slightly smaller. There you go. Good. Now I need to drill another hole in here as well. Keep the mirror modifier because like in the future, just in case you need to change things, it's always a good idea to keep the modifiers. Use a boolean. This is the object using the boolean difference. What's this? Why is it red? I don't know. And then boom. And then apply. Okay, so you want to drill a hole inside of the gun as well, but we haven't applied this modifier yet. So basically what boolean does is, so if we have not applied it yet, the vertices do not exist. This mesh basically don't exist. It's just showing you what it would look like when the vertices exist. So if you're drilling a hole, you need to drill a hole into things that exist. Basic logic really, so apply it. The reason why I didn't apply it is in case I want to change things. So now I cannot change anything. If I want to change something, it's so cumbersome. So what you do is you save a copy of it. So you save a copy of it, go Shift D, Z, of things before they're changed, just in case you want to come back and change them. M, new collection, I always go OOS, like I click it for out of scene, and these are my duplicates. They're in a new collection, I turn them off. Now I can without as much stress apply this and not worry about messing everything up, because we all mess up. I want to put a boolean on this. You are my object. And apply. There we go. There's a hole in there now. Right. Now, this is not flush against it, so I'm going to flush it against it. This is a plane, right? So I'm gonna make it have a little bit of thickness.